And this is Steve J. Bryan. She going, oh my god, she going. She shake that thing quick, don't understand what she be doing. So I ask her what she doing. She says she be going, man, she going. Oh my god, she going. Now go and put this in your vocabulary. This word right here should be in the dictionary. As a matter of fact, should be on top like it's doing missionary. Cause when she start doing it, man, she extraordinary. Her body so hot, it's gonna send you to the cemetery. I told her my time with her is short. She smiled and said February. I said I'm gonna make you come first, like January. Your life, that's primary. Problems are just secondary. Having fun is elementary. And never forget that your time here is momentary. So give your best like you be doing an interview. So do what you gotta do, cause I feel like giving you a good time. She said, I like how you think. She got up and made a wink, and she grabbed me like a drink, and she started whining on me, man, going up and down. She became a monkey climbing on me like I was a tree. Then she heard the sound of that die. She said, baby, can I show you what I can do? I want you to melt, I'll be that fire on your candle. I said, yeah, you can go. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. That's when she lose control. I was following the dance and made my eyes roll in the back of my skull. It made me feel like a fool. I was so confused. Her hips started spinning so fast, they went like a flash. Man, I got hypnotized. These hips don't lie, man. That shit was cool. And she was going. Oh my god, she going. She shake that thing quick, don't understand what she be doing. So I ask her what she doing. She said she be going, man, she going. Oh my god, she going. She going. Oh my god, she going. She shake that thing quick, don't understand what she be doing. So I ask her what she doing. She says she be going, man, she going. Oh my god, she going.